Beth Jenkins. I'm the one of the pilots for Devil Dog B-25 here. The Devil Dog logo is a mascot for the Marines, and so we're here to give this Marine History Live. Not many people knew that the Marines had the B-25, but they designated a PBJ-1J, and they fought in the Pacific. This particular airplane is based after the VMB 612 group. They used to go out at night with radar, find the ships and down the ships. And if you look at the nacelle, you'll see the bombs represent missions. And then in 22 missions, the number 3 ship downed 3 merchant ships and 1 Imperial ship. Went on our 23rd mission, never to return. So the gentleman that restored this particular B-25 wanted to honor his friends, keep this history alive. They didn't get to have nose art because at night they look to reflect the location. So we have the mascot for the Marines as our nose art to help keep this history alive and honor the gentleman from the number 3 ship. If you look in the bomb bay, you'll see signatures of survivors from the VMB 612 group and some of the raiders, the Doolittle Raiders, and some other people that could prove they had flown B-25s